Tipra Motha member visit and help the family of late Antil Debarma who passed away in a tragic accident on the way to state level Ban Mahotsav. Tipra Motha Khwai Political District Working President Prithit Debarma, Block Vice President Subal Singh Debarma and other members were present. On that day, Tipra Motha Khwai Political District Working President Prithit Debarma, Block Vice President Subal Singh Debarma, Block Committee Member Viji Manoranjan Debarma, West Champasara Vice Chairman Viji Manav Debarma and other members were present.
Hambai, sini media parsu tuna hai hai, ino di bozoro tuna hai logirika. So sini hamangkai, thanai kisudin aja, sini siapun tomo bonochop mani. Sini sabizasana bari constituency sini behla bari bisini noklawang mani adina norok thanai rogo nokna thanai salasung sini boronganang minister sar bini subasuai sung o bonomo sop thangdene je excellent nai sini taku until bono sung approkia subasu hakya sung haino hai tini bono bini saksuri bahai tong ini tini sini asam bari constituency bising khobjak West Ambassador bisini 5 number ward ni sini otaku until bono haino hai sungtin tiha naina phajak o naina phamen jorowo sini Poschim Ambassador bisini 5 number ward ni lukurok rajara rega khai tonai ba public tonai joto milui rang kisa micha bono khairunga hamjama bisin tikai Kicha subasu khaika mairung thok dal alu pias rusun dok saban dok kai aba hake bono kia subasu khaika tang hole bo bin nukungo bo saisuno ajinai bin charai chicken khornoi bin bihik simi tong borok karon kai bo simi chi income khani batini bin yak khaimya bugino nukana bo kono income khaimi abon bagi bono 20 din ba 25 din phono kicha miche phono bo sai tong ma thoi bono tini lugorok subasu khaimaningo orosung tini subasu khaitene phaimajak phekya angni ji khwai political district ni working president Debarma tean logi tongo sini sabizasra mari block committee ni vice president sini borongonang Subal Singh tongo te logi tongo block ni committee member sini borongonang Manoranjan tongo tai sini West Ambassador bisini chairman sini borongonang Manav tongo tai member sini borongonang Parendra bo tongo te logi tongo sini kisan songkai sungkini phayoro manja phaimaka
Reported by Biplav from Khwai, Chinikhora.